Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plan related. Today I discuss essential silo reinforcement techniques for 2025. Essential silo reinforcement techniques for 2025. This is the sketch. This is the sketch for silo. This is the sketch for project sketch. This is the project sketch. Horizontal steel reinforcement, wall concrete cross section, vertical steel reinforcement, vertical CFRP reinforcement, cementitious based grout, horizontal CFRP reinforcement, existing steel reinforcement, H2 CFRP horizontal reinforcement, H2 CFRP at the rate of 18-inch on center vertical reinforcement. Essential silo reinforcement techniques for 2025. With increasing demand for large capacity storage silos in cement, grain, fly ash, and industrial sectors, silo reinforcement techniques in 2025 are more advanced, precious, and safety driven than ever. Modern design focuses on structural durability, crack control, seismic resistance, and construction efficiency. This guide explains the latest reinforcement practices, detailing methods and site techniques used for silo construction in 2025. Essential silo reinforcement techniques for 2025. With increasing demand for large capacity storage silos in cement, grain, fly ash, and industrial sectors, silo reinforcement techniques in 2025 are more advanced, precious, and safety driven than ever. Modern design focuses on structural durability, crack control, seismic resistance, and construction efficiency. This guide explains the latest reinforcement practices, detailing methods, and site techniques used for silo construction in 2025. Number one, importance of proper reinforcement in silo. Importance of proper reinforcement in silos. Silos are subjected to high vertical loads from stored material, high vertical loads from stored material, horizontal pressure due to bulk material flow, horizontal pressure due to bulk material flow, temperature stresses, seismic seismic and wind forces. Importance of proper reinforcement in silos. Silos are subjected to high vertical loads from stored material, horizontal pressure due to bulk material flow, temperature stresses, seismic and wind forces. Proper reinforcement ensures Proper reinforcement ensures crack control, structural stability, long service life, safe material discharge, safe material discharge. Proper reinforcement ensures crack control, structural stability, long service life, safe material discharge. Number two, key reinforcement zones in a silo. Key reinforcement zones in a silo. That is the sketch. That is the sketch you follow first. Step 1, vertical strip. Step 2, horizontal strip. Step 1, vertical strip. Step 2, horizontal strip. Silo, elevation, foundation. Apply layer of CSC 24-inch wide stirrups at the rate of 1 grain vertically. You first follow this sketch and details you observe. This is the sketch. This sketch you follow and mention that suspended silo cone unshaped, cone steel hopper, supported silo cone recommended, concrete fill, elevated floor. A vertical reinforcement. Resist bending stresses, control temperature and shrinkage cracks. Typically placed uniformly around the circumference. A vertical reinforcement resist bending stresses, controls temperature and shrinkage cracks. Typically placed uniformly around the circumference. B hoop circumferential reinforcement. B hoop circumferential reinforcement. Most critical reinforcement in silos. Resist horizontal pressure from stored material. Spacing is closer near the bottom where pressure is highest. Spacing is closer near the bottom where pressure is highest. C. Base slab reinforcement. Designed for punching, shear and settlement. Includes top and bottom mats. Extra reinforcement near wall slab junction. D. Hooper and ring beam reinforcement. Hooper handles complex stress flow. Ring beam distributes load evenly to support. Number 3. Advanced reinforcement techniques adopted in 2025. Number 1. High strength reinforcement bar. Use of Fe 550D or Fe 600 steel. High strength reinforcement bars use of Fe 550D or Fe 600 steel, improve ductility and corrosion resistance, improve ductility and corrosion resistance, reduce bar congestion, reduce bar congestion. Number two, closure hoop reinforcement at critical zones, closure hoop reinforcement at critical zones, variable spacing instead of uniform spacing, variable spacing instead of uniform spacing, bottom one third of silo heavily reinforced, bottom one third of silo heavily reinforced, enhances crack resistance, enhances crack resistance. Number three, use of weld wear reinforcement, WWR, use of weld wear reinforcement, WWR, improves construction speed, improve construction speed, ensures uniform spacing, ensures uniform spacing, reduces human error in bar placement, reduces human error in bar placement. Number four, detailing best practices for 2025. Detailing best practices for 2025. That is the sketch. First you follow. That is the sketch. First you follow. This type of sketch. Lap length AB, vertical NSM CFRP, vertical steel reinforcement, horizontal steel reinforcement, horizontal NSM CFRP, silo wall thickness, avoid laps in high hoop stress zone, avoid laps in high hoop stress zones, prefer mechanical couplers over lapping, prefer mechanical couplers over lapping, ensure adequate development length, ensure adequate development length, maintain minimum clear cover, often higher due to aggressive environment, maintain minimum clear cover, often higher due to aggressive environment, use staggered laps for vertical bars, use staggered laps for vertical bars. Number five, reinforcement for seismic and wind resistance. Reinforcement for seismic and wind resistance. Modern silo design consider. Modern silo design considers ductile detailing as per latest seismic codes. Ductile detailing as per latest seismic codes. Additional confinement reinforcement, additional confinement reinforcement, strong wall base connection detailing, strong wall base connection detailing, continuous load path from silo wall to foundation, continuous load path from silo wall to foundation. This is specially critical for tall silo and silos in seismic zone. This is especially critical for tall silos and silos in seismic zone. Tall silos and silos in seismic zone. Number six, corrosion protection measures 2025 focus. Corrosion protection measure 2025 focus. To increase service life, epoxy coated reinforcement, fusion bonded fusion bonded coating, increase cover thickness, use of corrosion inhibitors in concrete, use of corrosion inhibitors in concrete, proper drainage and waterproofing. Number 7, construction techniques, improving reinforcement quality. Construction techniques, improving reinforcement quality. Slip form, jump form construction. Slip form, jump form construction. Continuous reinforcement placement. Better alignment and reduce cold joint. Faster construction cycles. Beam-based reinforcement planning. Beam-based reinforcement planning. Clash-free detailing. Accurate bar bending schedules. BBS. Reduce wastage and rework. Number 8, quality control checklist on site. Bar diameter and spacing as per drawing. Proper hoop reinforcement continuity. Correct cover blocks and spacer. Clean rust-free reinforcement. Proper anchorage at base and ring beams. Number 9, common reinforcement mistakes to avoid. Insufficient hoop reinforcement, excessive bar lapping, poor cover control, ignoring temperature reinforcement, improper wall hooper junction detailing. Number 10, conclusion. In 2025, silo reinforcement is no longer just about placing steel. It is about precision detailing, durability and performance-based design. By adopting modern materials, advanced detailing and strict quality control, engineers can ensure safe, crack-free and long-lasting silo structure. Conclusion. Number 10. Conclusion. In 2025, silo reinforcement is no longer just about placing steel. It is about precision detailing, durability and performance-based design. By adopting modern materials, advanced detailing and strict quality control, engineers can ensure safe, crack-free and long-lasting silo structures. If you want, I can also provide typical silo reinforcement detailing drawings, bar bending schedule BBS for silos, method statement for silo construction, common silo failures and reinforcement remedies. Just tell me what you need. If you want, I can also provide typical silo reinforcement detailing drawings, bar bending schedule BBS for silos, method statement for silo construction, common silo failures and reinforcement remedies. Just tell me what you need. Now I end my video. Next day I discuss another chapter of execution item, project and plan related. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন এবং শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি বেশি সংখ্যা শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার্স এই ভিডিওগুলো থেকে উপকৃত করে। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশান বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশান পৌঁছে যাবে। নোটিফিকেশান বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশান পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।